Hey everyone, we are back again with another video detailing our circumnavigation of Vancouver Island aboard our 37-foot sailboat Maya. In previous videos, we've traveled 787 miles over 38 days from Anacortes, Washington to where we are now in Friendly Cove on Nootka Island, British Columbia. In the last episode, we dealt with several tough anchoring situations, one of which ended in a fouled prop.
Wrapped up.
Despite the mistakes and bad weather, we were still buzzing off the salmon we caught, our first ever. In this episode, we tackle another one of Vancouver Island's geographical hurdles, Hesqiat Peninsula, and we also weather the trip's biggest storm.
Oh my god, this is insane.
Now let's jump right back in. Picking back up the story, we were anchored in Friendly Cove on the south side of Nootka Island. Friendly Cove is home to the Nootka Lighthouse, which houses 2 full-time lightkeepers. We met them and got to take a tour of the grounds. It was very interesting to learn that the lighthouse tower only uses 1 bulb and it's the size of a quarter. After an evening at anchor in Friendly Cove, we moved the boat to Bligh Island Cove, which offered more protection from wind and ocean swell that was forecasted for the next few days. En route to Bligh Island Cove, we decided to troll the eastern shore of Nootka Sound. We tossed the same lure that caught us a salmon, and sure enough, after some trolling, we pulled in the biggest lean cod we've ever caught.
We got about a 15-pound lean cod. We caught off of Nootka Island this morning.
Nice size fish.
Yeah, just just lots of meat on it. Just look at
We were trolling for salmon.
the mouth on this
Ended
thing.
up this guy.
Monster fish. It's
These fish are delicious. Nice white fish.
yeah, so let's fillet them and
Fry them up.
fry 'em up. What do you think?
Delicious. Wow. Lean cod.
The winds came in as forecasted, but we were happily at anchor. We actually used that time at anchor to film our boat tour video.
All right, today we are at Bligh Island Cove. As you can see, a little bit of a windy day, but we're tucked into a nice little cove here. And we're gonna give you a tour of what our boat looks like while we're out cruising.
A few days later, we got our weather window and set out to Hot Springs Cove, south of Hesqiat Peninsula, 36 miles away.
Okay, we are en route, going around the Hesqiat Peninsula right now, and not really any wind to speak of, but we have got some major swell. That's the current challenge right now.
Yeah, it sucks to be seasick. Sorry, I know that's no fun. Yeah, the seas are so lumpy. Oh my gosh. Trying to get around this peninsula. It just seems like these huge swells will never end.
Yeah.
Okay, we made it around the peninsula. Just barely. It's really lumpy and pretty uncomfortable. Yeah, we're almost to the cove. Hot Springs Cove. Well, we made it around Hesqiat Peninsula. It was one of the most unexpected rough days. We just didn't anticipate the swell. It was huge and just so many confused seas.
We were just getting tossed like so far, like
from side to side, and
Oh,
there's nothing you could do. You
man.
could try to like mitigate it.
yeah, it was a long day out
Yeah.
there. But we're this sweet spot now, like Hot Springs Cove. People are flying in just to go to these hot springs.
And there's just planes like going, I swear, like 10 feet next to our boat.
Yeah, we may be like parked like almost in the runway.
Whoops.
So cool. Well, let's go soak.
Yeah, let's go check out those hot springs. What day is it today?
It is Wednesday, the 31st.
July 31st. Oh my god, that's so scary. Be on the lookout. Found one of the planks for one of our friends.
Absolutely pouring. This poor boat just came in from like around the peninsula, what we did yesterday, and it's like it must have been so miserable out there. Oh my god, this is insane. I don't think it'll show up, but the rain is literally going sideways. It is blowing so hard.
Wow, we are just up and down. Oh my gosh. Did you see that? I think the back end almost went in the water.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh shit, no.
Oh yeah, we were like up and look how close it's getting. Did you see that? Wow.
It must just be disgusting out there.
I can't even imagine.
This is what's getting in here.
Oh. Uh-oh, what's happening here? Oh, the dinghy. Chaos. Oh, it is madness right now. We got smoke everywhere. Now we have all the windows open. Woo! Just the wind is just raging out there. I'm trying to get the smoke out of here. Oh, Jesus. Just totally, it's like a vortex. The wind's coming from every direction. Mac's trying to figure out how to keep the wind from backing up our smokestack. And meanwhile, the rain just continues to pour. Everybody's getting rocked in this anchorage by this swell. It's pretty nasty out.
All right, so we're gonna get an official reading on the rain gauge for the overnight rain amount. 2 3/4 inches of rain in 12 hours. Unbelievable.
After experiencing that huge storm, we were ready to move to a more protected anchorage, which we found in Young Bay. While there, I also took the opportunity to recheck our propeller for the first time since we fouled it about a week prior.
What's the verdict?
It's all good.
Nice. Everything's intact?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
How's the water?
It's really cloudy. Oh, it's like brown. It's like an ale or something, you know, like a brown ale. But it must be from all the runoff, from all the rain.
That's why we didn't catch any fish yesterday.
Yeah, that's what I'm blaming it on too. Cool.
Nice. Good work.
Yeah.
Well, that's a good place to stop for now. Stay tuned as there's a lot more adventure and a lot more fishing to come. And the fishing is epic. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you very soon.